So your BMW M4 competition looks as good as this one does, but it sounds pretty horrific. This is a returning client of ours that we've just removed the system from his old 4 Series and is now about to move to this incredible M4 comp. So let's jump in to today's video.
So we've now finished soundproofing both of the front doors. Along with that, we've put our own pins in the factory OEM connectors for the doors. So we can run a separate brand new speaker cable to the mid-range in each front door to get a better speaker connection to the amp in the boot. Now we've completed that, we're going to move on to the underseat woofer. We've now completed the underseat woofer upgrade along with the front mid-range in the front doors. We've also soundproofed the rear quarter panels. This door is on track to be completed next, and we're now going to move into the boot and get started in there.
And there we have it, another BMW completed with the Cambridge Car Audio experience. This is actually, as you've probably seen in today's video, this is actually a returning client of ours. We recently removed the entire system from his previous BMW 4 Series and he's taken a whole nother leap to the M4 comp. Stunning, stunning spec. This one now sounds absolutely incredible. What we've done on this car is a few things different to what we actually did on the original install on his BMW. The main thing is actually the optical system. Basically on this generation of vehicle, we've actually used an optical conversion kit which keeps an optical line going into our Underseat amplifier, gives a far cleaner signal. This is going to improve the input stage of our system, allowing for a full control and also a better overall sound when it comes to it. So client was after similar to what he had in his previous car, because obviously we removed that kit and moved it to this car. So we've got this car had Harman Kardon from factory, so we haven't had to order the actual grills itself. But we've got the Underseat Prima tweeter here, the Underseat Prima 4-inch driver in the door. We've got the 8-inch Underseat Prima underseat drivers. We've then got the rears as a rear set into factory locations in there as well. And then obviously the optical box. We've also then added into the boot area the 10-inch active sub. So that is really quite compact. Obviously in these vehicles our client does love a lot of bass, and that is why we've gone for the 10-inch active sub. Obviously with a convertible, bass transfer from here to here is a little bit limited. Same with vehicles like have a sealed boot, for example my M5 has the same thing. It is a little bit kind of very restricted going from boot area into cabin. That's why those 8 inches are going to be doing a hell of a lot of work in this vehicle to bring that depth further forward. So the amplification stage is all hidden. We've got a little custom panel that sits over there, so that's all nice and neat and tidy. And yeah, overall basically a stock look setup. Car interior is absolutely incredible. I really like this color. I wish I actually had it on my M5, this color interior. But yeah, I mean, looks absolutely incredible and sounds absolutely incredible as well. Obviously you guys have seen a little bit in today's video of the install that we've done. Obviously this system was, like I said, removed from a previous install that we did and moved over to this car. So I mean, I'm over the moon with the finished results. I've had a listen to it already. Part of the tuning stage, we go through quite a very in-depth tuning process to get a car to where we want it to be. And that's all gone absolutely perfectly. The only thing the car's left to have now done is kind of final checks, just kind of go through everything in a load of detail everywhere we've been, just check everything over, make sure everything's sat nicely and perfectly. But yeah, I mean, overall really cool. We've also done some other upgrades while the car's been in with us, and they'll be actually on our CBS Automotive YouTube channel. So if you haven't checked out that channel and subscribed, make sure you do. There'll be the other upgrades that we've done to this car is a smart top system. So we've done automatic control via the key to open and close your roof from your key, which is quite cool. Also done a dash camera solution that records when the vehicle's parked, as well as the ghost immobilizer as well. So loads of really cool upgrades on this BMW M4, and many of our clients, when they're having work done, head over to a CBS Automotive website and select some of the items that are on there to go through. Like we're doing an SLS Black Series at the moment. He's having yellow seat belts done. Yeah, loads of different things that can happen while the car's apart. It makes sense to do so while it's in. So overall, a really cool upgrade. Let's have a listen to it now, and you guys will be able to experience the final results of the system. And this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the final result of the system. I'm sat in the passenger side, and if you guys know our videos by now, you'll know that we've got our microphone set up to the right hand side of me. The reason why it is sat on the driver's seat, and that is where, when I shut up for a few minutes, you guys are going to be listening through that microphone setup. This will give you as close as we possibly can, kind of the experience that I'm listening to inside the vehicle, or the driver and the owner of this vehicle is going to be listening to the results of the system with. Obviously, this system is via the optical system, as we explained earlier, so we're going through the factory unit, but we've got a really clean input stage, and that's all been corrected as well, part of the tuning process to get this car to where we are. Inside the cubbyhole here, clients opted to go for the DRC AC controller. This will control sub-level, different presets, as well as we've got different presets, time alignment, and overall volume and stuff from there as well. So loads of different cool stuff from the DRC AC, but it's nicely hidden out the way so you can't see it. Now I'm going to play a couple of tracks. You guys are going to absolutely love this. It sounds incredible in here, so I cannot wait to share this with you. So without further ado, let's go.
Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Believe in God to kneel down with me. Say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city. My granny house is gone, my sister house is gone. We done lost it all. All them childhood memories turn to ashes as they fall. Firefighters tried to help, but they can't come and save us all. And all the power lines is down, so when ain't been no one to call. Made me pray for rain. If Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. We've been fighting forever, gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember.
And that is honestly, truly, truly beautiful. It sounds, the tonality of everything, it just blends in so nicely. The factory look works perfectly in the M4 comp. Yeah, what can I say? Another one, really, really happy with it. It's come out really nice. And this is really nice because this is actually a client that's had a system removed and then reinstalled. Obviously meaning that that client is happy with everything that we did originally. Also, the benefit of moving over does save our client money in terms of the long run, rather than having a brand new system done again. It's more cost effective to do it this way because obviously some of the equipment has been purchased. Obviously sound deadening, labor, obviously these sorts of things have had to be new. But overall, really, really cool, along with some other cool upgrades that we've done to the car. So thank you very much to our absolute legend client that this owner is of this car. It's he absolutely loves the work that we do, and we absolutely love the fact that he trusts us yet again. And now, especially on his M4 comp, well, stunning car. Congratulations to him on the new car, and see you on the next one.